Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can delete or close your Etsy account. Now, to delete or close your Etsy account, firstly you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once you've opened up a web browser, on the search bar type in etsy.com/sell like this and then hit the enter button. After you hit the enter button, make sure that your account is logged in. You can check if your account is logged in or not by clicking on this profile icon, and if your account's name is shown, that means that your account is logged in. Now, again, go ahead and click on that profile icon, and on the menu that pops up, click on this account settings button. After you click on the account settings button, scroll down and find this close your account tab. Now on this tab, you'll have to select a reason for why you are closing the account. Now select a reason of your choice and then tick on the reason of your choice. If you want to type in something, just type it in and then click on this close account option. After you click on this close account option, you'll have to enter your password like this. Now make sure that your password is correct and then click on this close account option again. After you click on the close account option, and if your password is correct and if your credentials are correct, your account on Etsy will be deleted or closed. I hope this video helped you to close your account on Etsy. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.